Sir Goody. All set now, ready to race. Race number 1 here, Santa Ana Park, and the race is on. Wilkowski from the outside, moving up by the rally's final judgment, Mr. Saber. Sir Goody on the outside by the rally, fifth Lakewood, Senor Vicente, and Seeing Lorky is the early trailer. Back to the front runner, Wilkowski by Hapaland. Final judgment is running by the rally to grab the lead. It's now final judgment, Wilkowski. Sir Goody racing on the outside by the rally's Mr. Saber. And closing in fifth Lakewood by the rally. And rounding the far turn, final judgment by about 2 lengths, Sir Goody in second. And Wilkowski is running in third. Moving up by the rally is Lakewood as they race the final corner. Final judgment by about 3 lengths. Lakewood is running by the route. Sir Goody, Wilkowski, Mr. Severcin, Lorgy, Senor Vicente. And with the last 100 meters more to run, final judgment by about 2 lengths, Lakewood. And finally, the icebreaker, number 2, final judgment. Lakewood, Wilkowski, Mr. Saber, Sing Lorky, Sir Goody, and Senor Vicente.